Hello guys, how to fix iCloud sign in keeps popping up on iPhone after iOS 17 update. If you find trouble in iCloud sign up, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings and tap on your profile icon and first sign out your iCloud and thereafter again re-sign your iCloud profile with Apple ID and password. Workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings and scroll down and tap on general and here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset again and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with face ID or face passcode and again choose reset network settings and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and the next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and tap on general settings and tap on software updates, and if any update iOS update available, simply download and install it in your iPhone and your iCloud sign in keeps popping up issue resolved accordingly. That's all.